Hello guys, welcome back again. On this episode we are going to learn about how to use an if else if statement. That means here, if this condition is true, if the condition associated with this if loop is true, it will execute this block of statement, otherwise this else part will execute it. So if you want to check more than one condition using the if loop, you can use an if else if statement. So here is the syntax of an if else if statement. Else if condition, this is condition 1, this is condition 1, and this is condition 2, and also this also has a body, and you can add any number of else if. You can check any number of condition using this loop. You can add any number of else if, and that means here last one is, this is condition n. That means you can check n number of condition using an if else if statement. The working of this statement is very simple. If this condition is true one, the compiler will execute only this statement. That means if the condition 1 is true, it will execute only this. At that time, all the statement up to this else will not execute that. If this is a false one, then compiler will check this condition. If it is again found to be a true one, if this is a true one, then the compiler will execute it. At that time, all the statement after coming after this else up to the last else will be skipped. And if it is not satisfied, that means if it is not true one, then again check for the next else if. And if none of these if or else if are true, then finally it will execute the else part. Okay, this is the syntax of using an if else if statement in C programming. So we can now check it out with a complete example. This is the example that I already used in the previous part of this tutorial. Here we check two numbers a and b and check which one is greater using an if else loop. So I already said that there is a third situation is available there. That means the value of a and b are same. Here we check only two conditions. If the value of a greater than b or b greater than a, we only check that two conditions. So here I am going to implement the third condition using if else if. So here else if the value of b greater than a, that means b is the large number. Okay, here b is the large number, and on the else part, that means here it will check on this if loop, it will check for a is the large, and here it check for b is the large, and there is one more situation, the value of a and b are same. So if the two statements are not satisfied, that means the two conditions return false, that means the two numbers are same. So here is the output. %d and %d are we just print out a and b are same. A and b are same. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so we can run it, and again we will explain the program with that input else if condition. Okay, I save the program, compile it. What is this? Okay, and run it. I enter 6 for a and 6 for b. Here you will get the output a and b are same. We can check it out with this loop. Here a and b are same, that means this condition become 6 greater than 6. this will return false. That means this block of statement is not going to execute. Okay, here also it is 6 greater than 6, that again a false one. So this block of statement available with the else if also skipped from execution. Now it will execute the else part. Okay, now I run it again, run the program again. So A is 9 and B is 12. Here we got the output 12 is the large number. So here the value for A is 9 and value for B is 12. It will return false. And here for this else if it is value for B is 12 and value for A is 9. That means this will return a true. This will return true. That means this statement will execute. So we got the output 12 is the large number. And at that time the else part is not executed because this condition satisfy. So it will skip all the else if and else coming after that true else if statement. Okay guys, this is how we using an if else if loop in C programming. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.